Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be talking about why Western tanks are running out of time. The answer is pretty much just their age. You see, a lot of Western tanks are pretty old. The Leopard 2, for example, goes back to about the 70s, and despite the fact that it is a very, very capable platform, and in my personal opinion, better than most Russian weapon systems, it is starting to show its age. You see, one of the biggest things that faces Western weapons is their upgradability, their capacity to receive new assets, new technologies, and just combine all these different features into a newer, more modern, more powerful strike package. And this has always been the West's advantage. Being able to put the more advanced pieces and equipment into a vehicle has always given us an edge. However, since the Leopard 2s, Challenger 2s, and the Abrams M1A2 and M1A1 variants are starting to get out of date, we are just starting to find this situation where they're no longer really as upgradable as they used to be. You see, weapon systems are just no longer as powerful as they may need to be. A lot of the different vehicles that don't really have the chassis of the vehicle is not designed to support the extra pieces and features that have been put in. And when you look at what the next generation tanks are starting to become, you start to realize the real difference in pedigree between the current tanks and the next gen. The Kf-51 Panther, for example, which is a proof of concept tank put forward by Rheinmetall in Germany, is basically a huge step up and a huge change away from the doctrine that was used for the Leopard 2A6, 2A5s, and various different variants. You see, the Kf-51 has a 130mm cannon, which means that's going to be larger than the 120mm cannon that's positioned in a Leopard 2. This also means that the turret and the chassis will not be built or designed to actually hold such a cannon, which creates problems if, say, you want to fire one of these weapons. Vehicles like the Challenger 2s very often use board cannons, or I believe that's the phrase, instead of a smoothbore cannon, which means it has a lower muzzle velocity and a shorter range, which isn't very useful when hypothetically you're needing to fire faster, more powerful projectiles that weigh more and more. And this is where we start to look at the next generation vehicles that are coming in and being produced by the West. They offer all these advantages over the current generation systems. The M1E3, for example, which is designed and based off of the Abrams X project, is a particularly lethal vehicle. This one, the theory is that it should be able to launch kamikaze drones with ranges of up to 25 kilometers. This means that this vehicle can effectively snipe artillery. So that is definitely impressive. You see, where all this really comes in is just showing where Western tanks are. Western tanks are very capable and they are very, very effective. However, in reality, Western tanks are starting to run out of use and they are needing replacements. But yeah, that's really it for now. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and I greatly appreciate it. I thank you all so very much for watching and I'll catch you all in the next one. Thank you very much. Goodbye.